Do you have cats and love to give them fun little toys? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can make a quick, easy catnip toy for your cat. Hi, I'm Elise and welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I know there's other channels out there that you could be watching, so thank you for stopping by and giving me a chance. So today I'm going to show you just a real quick, easy way to make a catnip toy for your cats. I don't know about you, but I love cats, and we actually have four in our household, and they love the little catnip uh, toys that we give them. They just love on them. It makes them very happy. So I thought it would be fun if I made them their own little catnip toy for Halloween. So I got four different materials because we have four different cats. I thought this cute little mini pattern would be cute for one. Then there's the Day of the Dead kitty pattern I thought was really cute. I thought this was a fun Halloween pattern. And I thought this one would be good for Halloween and for just the fall season. So let's get going.
So the first thing I thought was, since I'm not a very good artist, was I was just going to use cookie cutters to cut out my shapes. I have a bat, I have a pumpkin, a cat I thought was kind of cute, clever, and then I was just going to make like a square or a triangle, something really simple, because I struggle with sewing. So some of the things you're going to need is your cookie cutters. You're going to need a pen to trace them, scissors to cut them. You're also going to need your thread and needle to sew them, or a machine. And then you're going to need your stuffing to stuff them. And of course, catnip. As you can see, I started doing the pumpkin first. I cut out my material and traced it and cut it out, but it came out a little small, so I decided to do another one and trace it out a little bigger from the actual cookie cutter to make it a little bigger to use. After I traced my pumpkin with the cookie cutter, I went back in and just did a smaller trace, just following the lines, so I would have a line to cut with or cut on, and then a line to sew on. So again, I have two lines, one to use to cut on and one to use to sew on, to help me make a better pumpkin. So then I just proceeded to cut it out. So I cut out the bat, the cat with Minnie Cat on it, the triangle with the skeleton cat, and then the pumpkin. So with the bat, I found that the cookie cutter made it a little too small, so I did a pattern for the bat to make it just a little bit bigger. Now comes the next part. You're just going to sew along the lines of each thing, but leave an opening to be able to stuff it. Now that they're all sewn, it's ready for the next step, for them to be stuffed with the stuffing and put catnip in them. I have to talk about my bat for a second. I sewed it by hand and it just did not come out even. It's kind of off on one side, not even at all. So it's my wacky bat. So now the next step is to put the catnip and the stuffing inside our little toys. What I decided to do first is take the catnip, put it into my little piece of material through the hole, and kind of coat all of the inside first, and then put the stuffing in afterwards. Once you put it in there, just like really mix it around good, kind of try and get it in all over the inside of your material, especially like in the corners. Just make sure that it's all kind of coated inside. Next, you're going to proceed with stuffing. Just get a bag of stuffing from the store. I think I got this one from Walmart. And just take a little at a time and just start stuffing the little pocket that you cut out and sewed together. Just make sure that you stuff it in all the way. You get every little nook and cranny, every corner. You just want to fill it as best you can. As you're stuffing, you want to remember to add the catnip here and there during the whole time. So you really fill that toy up with catnip. I think I should have added more to mine. Once you're done stuffing it to your desired puffiness, then it's time to sew up that opening. So you're just going to sew that together so the stuffing and the catnip won't come out. And I have to admit, I am not a good sewer. And voila, you're done. As you could see, I did the little openings all by hand, and they weren't that great, but I got the job done. So it was on to the next one, but I have to warn you, when you're working with catnip, you're going to have visitors trying to help you. You can also pour some of the catnip onto the stuffing and then stick it into the material as well. Like I said, visitors. I just want to give a quick shout out to my sister Danielle for helping me sew these. She sewed the cat, the pumpkin, and the skeleton cat. I did the wacky bat, but thank you, Danielle, for helping me sew these cute little things together.
Oh, sorry. You know how it is with cats. Hair everywhere. Okay, here are the final products. We've got my pumpkin, the kitty cat with mini kitty cat, the skeleton cat, and my wacky bat. So it wasn't quite as easy as I thought it was going to be. I mean, if you're a good sewer, it's probably a piece of cake. Just stuffing it and putting the catnip in it is easy. It's a pretty simple, easy toy for your cats, catnip toy. But because I have difficulty sewing, it was actually a little harder than I thought. But did the cats like it? Or are the cats going to like it? Hang on, let me show you. You like it? You like it? So I think she likes the toy. Let's see about the other one. So yeah, I think they like it. It was a fun little toy, a fun little Halloween idea. So anyway, there you have it. If I could do it, you could do it. So if you like this kind of content, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm not a very, very crafty person. I just like to try things and be crafty. I'm just an ordinary person. I'm not like a real crafty person. But anyway, if you do like this, like I said, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and push that bell notification. I get videos out on Saturdays, hopefully. Until next time, I hope you have a great day, a great week, and I'll see you later. Bye!